What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Rita, and I am here today to do a video on some catfish. My favorite. Might not be the best quality, maybe a bottom feeder. I don't care, baby. Some catfish, I would slap you and everybody I know if it's some good fat catfish, honey. But before I get into this catfish video, I want to say what's up to all of my subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for loving on me, and I hope you feel the love coming right back to you, because you don't have to give me this time in your day, and I appreciate it. I would love for you guys to give me more time in your day. Tell somebody about my channel. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, you guys. I always like these videos. It helps me out when you hit the like button. So I would really appreciate a like. You can go ahead on and do it now if you want to, because if you like catfish, just hit the like button, because you can't really mess up no catfish. Today, I'm going to be making what I'm calling citrus baked catfish, or baked citrus catfish, okay? And I kind of made it up, but if you put it in Google, a whole bunch of stuff will come up. I didn't look and see if any of them were like mine. I just looked to see if anybody had already created it, and evidently I didn't come up with nothing new. But as far as the name goes, but we're gonna go on with it anyway. So let's get right on into it. Right here, I have my deli. My meat department didn't have big catfish fillets. I love them when they're huge, but these are some small ones right here that they had, and they will do me just fine. This catfish has been sitting in the juice of a large lemon and the juice of a large orange for at least an hour, about 2 hours. I put it in there when I got home from church. So what I'm going to do now is I have drained all of the liquid off of my fish, but I'm going to still go in here with my paper towels, and I'm going to dry this fish as much as I can. Now, the reason why I do this, you guys, is because I want my seasonings to stick to my fish, and this helps with that process. This is with any meat that you're going to be blackening, baking, anything. You want it as dry as you can get it, so you can put moisture back into it and that your seasonings will stick, okay? So now normally when I do fish or salmon, I will squeeze lemon onto my salmon or into my fish. But because this has already been sitting in the refrigerator in that marinade of lemon and orange, I'm not going to squeeze any more on here. And it's been in there like 2 hours, so I feel like that's going to give me just enough flavor that I don't need to put any more citrus on here. So these are pretty dry. I'm pretty happy with how they feel. So what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to go right on ahead, and I'm going to put some olive oil on this fish. You don't want to drown it, but you want to get enough olive oil on there so that your seasonings will stick. Now, like I said, this is about 12 to 15 small fillets. So that was about probably a fourth of a cup of oil. Not even that much, I don't think, you guys. But just drizzle you some oil down on your fish so that it will take on those seasonings, okay? And we're just going to toss it and just try to make sure you have some oil on all of your fish. That's all I'm doing. Nothing hard, okay? Today, I'm going to be seasoning my fish with what I consider to be in the citrus family. This is how I cook, you guys. I think about what my size is going to be. I think about what I'm going for, and that's how I season it. So today, I'm going to be using this Mojo rub. It's citrus blend, okay? I'm going to be using a lot of this because this is going to be the taste that I primarily want. This stuff tastes delicious. I got it at Walmart. So if you're looking for something with a citrusy blend, this is very, very good, you guys. And it's great on fish, and chicken and whatever else you want to put it on. And I'm going to put a lot on there, okay? Like I said, I want to build up a type of kind of like a crust a little bit on my meat, my fish. Excuse me, you guys. I have some lemon pepper, and this is a this is a new lemon pepper. I don't know what got in my throat. I'm gonna be using some lemon pepper on here as well to bring out that lemon flavor that I have in here. Okay. Just gonna go right down on there just like that. And I've told you before, don't be ashamed or scared to season. You can oversalt, but it's hard to over season food. So go for it. This is some dill. Okay. And of course, you guys, we have my partners in crime that I always use, my Fab 4, and that's black pepper, white salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. I'm going to also add them. Okay. I'm going to add them, baby. I'm not scared. I'm not scared of no seasoning. And you shouldn't be either. It makes all the difference. The seasoning makes all the difference. These are just my Fab 4 that I said. Also to this, you guys, because I'm going to be pairing this with some roasted vegetables that I made, I'm going to use this honey sriracha in here on this fish. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I did use it on my fish, and I just want to bring that flavor out as well, just a little bit more. Okay, so now we have it heavily seasoned, right? I'm going to go right on in here, and I'm going to mix this up. And I like my fish to be seasoned on the top and the bottom, okay? I don't want no really beautiful seasoned food at the top, and then the bottom just looking like you just didn't even think about it. Like, why am I here if you're going to treat me like this? I want to be seasoned as well, and it does. Treat your food with some love, baby. All right, and it will love you back. I'm telling you, it will turn out good. Okay, so now we got this all seasoned up, you guys. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this in a 4-pan dish, okay? I'm going to put some, move that out the way. I'm going to spray it just a little, okay? And now I'm going to put my fillets in here. You can crowd them a little bit. You don't want to crowd them too much, but you can crowd them. And the reason why I say you can crowd them is because fish is going to shrink down just like with any meat, okay? So we're going to go right over here, and we're going to start placing our fish in this 4 dish, okay? All right. It looks so pretty already. I'm going to be baking this fish for a minimum of 30 minutes. I like my fish to be flaky, kind of dried out, cooked all the way done. I don't like, you know, it's got to be well done for me, you guys. I know that's not everybody's preference, but that is my preference when it comes to fish. I like it to be done. Now, I'll eat a steak medium well done, but I want my fish done, okay? So this will go at a minimum of 30 minutes. It'll probably be in the oven for about 40 minutes, and depending on the cook that I achieve, if I don't have a blackened or a roasted looking look to it, I will drain it if I have a whole bunch of liquid, and I will go back in there on broil and let it broil until I have a look that I like, okay? So as you can see, I ain't doing nothing special. I'm going to put the rest of these in here. And then I'm going to go straight into the oven. My oven is on 400 degrees. And I will be cooking this, like I said, a minimum of 30 to 45 minutes. Okay? I'll be back in a little bit to show you what it looks like. Hey y'all, I am back, and guess what? This fish is done, you guys. This fish is so delicious and beautiful. Oh my God. I taste the lemon. I taste the orange. I taste the lemon pepper, the citrus. I taste everything in this fish. I ended up cooking this fish about 35 minutes, you guys, in my oven on 400 degrees. And as I stated earlier, these fillets are a little bit smaller than what I'm used to getting, so that may be why they cooked up so well in 35 minutes. But guys, just look at this fish. It turned out great, okay? The taste is amazing. You have to taste this fish. Look at the white and the flakiness of this fish. Let me get a bite. My God, you guys, you are gonna love this citrus fish. So many things on my channel can be paired with this fish, you guys. From the roasted vegetables to the green beans to the, what else do I have on there? Mashed potatoes. Oh man, some garlic dill mashed potatoes would be delicious with this, you guys. So this is my citrus baked catfish fillets, and they turned out good, and they were ready in about 35 minutes with a broil on 5 minutes, you guys. And I hope that this picture is doing some justice, because this fish is actually a little bit browner than what it is showing on the camera. From my vantage point, it's a little bit browner than that. I want you guys to really be able to see just how delicious this fish is, and flaky and juicy. At about 35 minutes in, right at the end, I poured off the liquid that comes into the fish. I poured that off before I did the broil, but it already has some pretty good color to it because of the seasonings that I use. But guys, I think you're gonna like this one a lot. So give this citrus baked catfish a try. I think everybody will like it, and most of all, I hope you like it and incorporate it into your meals at home. Again, this is See What Rita's Cooking. I am me, she, her, Rita, and I will see you guys on the next one. Remember, your food is not all the way live until it's been Ritatized. I love you guys. See you on the next one. Bye.